This is a story in which Rahul found his unknown family members. This is Rahul. On his right is his mother. On the left is his father. And can you see someone else in the middle? They are Rahul's tiny little family members. Who are they? Now I will tell you a story. Here we go. On Sunday, the sun came up and Rahul was still in his bed. At 10, his eyes opened with a red runny nose. He came in the living room. The parents were shocked to see him sick with high temperature, so they decided to go to the doctor. Dad immediately took a decision and said,
Okay, let us take Rahul immediately to Dr. Bhattacharya. He will give strong allopathy medicines and Rahul will be better very soon.
Mom disagreed and said,
No, I want to take Rahul to Dr. Bakchi. He will give him Ayurvedic medicine. This will make Rahul stronger.
The argument continued and Rahul was confused and bored. He had an idea and said,
Mom and Dad, let us go to both the doctors. Only after I listen to both the doctors, I will then decide which medicine to take.
Mom and Dad agreed. They took out their car and first went to the allopathy doctor Bhattacharya. The doctor checked Rahul and said, Rahul, you have an bacterial infection.
What is a bacterial infection, doctor?
Rahul said, the doctor explained that your body is attacked by bacteria. These are microorganisms which are not seen with your naked eyes. They are very, very small. These microorganisms are everywhere. They are on the table, on the chair, on the leaf, in your food and even in your body. The microorganisms in your body are called human microbes. Rahul was amazed to know microorganisms were living in his body. The doctor gave him a strip of capsule tablets and told him that they will kill the bacteria in your body. Next, Dad drove everyone to Dr. Bakchi, the Ayurveda doctor. And Rahul was very excited. So he said,
Doctor, I have bacterial infection. Give me medicine to kill the bacteria.
The doctor said, No, Rahul, your body has two types of microbes, the good ones and the bad ones. The good ones help you to fight disease and build immunity. There are 3 to 10 times more bacterial cells in our body than our own human cells. They are a part of your body. They are like your family members. If I give you medicines like antibiotics, it will kill both the bad but also the good bacteria. Immunity to fight the disease will go down and you will be dependent on more strong antibiotics. Instead, I will give you medicine to boost your immunity so that your body will itself fight with the disease with the help of good microbes. If you have good immunity, you can also fight with the most dangerous diseases, just like COVID-19. Now Rahul took the medicine and they all went back home. Now he was very clear. Rahul decided to take Ayurvedic medicine this time. This is the story of how Rahul found his closest friends, the microbes.